This is our beautiful 2018 Lagoon 42 that has been maintained by her owner in better than new condition. Many options have been added to make this the ultimate cruising catamaran, including an extra 1200 plus watts of sunpower panels, lithium house battery bank, and a watermarker. She has one of our favorite layouts inside, which is the 3-cabin, 3-head owner's version with a huge owner's suite in the starboard hull. This makes the best of both personal luxury and room for guests. With wide and inviting transom steps and sturdy swim ladders on both hulls, the cockpit is the perfect place to enjoy the water. A single level from the aft platform all the way to the salon door, the spacious cockpit is a great place to entertain family and friends. There are plenty of places to sit, from the starboard settee and table in the lounge above to the aft bench seat and the port lounge with storage underneath. And with an ice maker outside, there's no need to interrupt the fun to cool your drink off. The helming station has plenty of room for two and is well protected from the elements by a composite bimini and zippered enclosure. All the engine controls, instruments, and sail controls are easily accessed, and with the doubly electric winches makes it very easy to sail this boat. There's a direct stair to the coach roof, giving quick access to the main and boom as well as access to the many solar panels. Along with the factory solar system, there is also an additional 1200 plus watts of sunpower panels to allow for true off-grid living. The wide decks, flush hatches, and the stainless steel handrails all contribute to an easy walk forward to the most entertaining seats in the house. The hatches near the windlass hide a ton of storage as well as the Cummins generator. Moving inside, we enter through the wide sliding door and we're greeted by the high vertical salon windows that provide great light and panoramic views. There are 2 forward windows that can open for a nice breeze. The L-shaped settee and ottoman is to port and can comfortably seat several people around the dining table. The dining table cover keeps the wood looking new. There is a lot of storage here as well as the flat screen TV. The fridge and freezer are cleanly blended into the port side cabinetry. On the starboard side of the salon, the nav station is forward with full B&G electronics and a Fusion entertainment system. The U-shaped galley has a ton of counter space and faces out to the cockpit. It has plenty of storage down low and up top. Features here include a 3-burner stove, a microwave neatly integrated above the counter, and an oven below. Moving below, we'll first head to the starboard hull. Now we are entering the luxurious owner's stateroom and private head. The owner's stateroom features a dressing table, library, sofa, wardrobes, and numerous other storage spaces. Light floods the entire cabin through generous hatches, port lights, and other openings. The forward berth is a roomy island double berth with a great view. The washer and dryer is just outside the private and spacious head. With plenty of storage, just like the rest of the yacht, it is clean and modern and is equipped with its own separate shower. Now let's move across the salon to the guest cabins. The forward berth is a double with side access. It has a great view through the vertical windows and has its own combined head and shower. The aft guest cabin is set up similarly to the owner's stateroom with an island double berth and plenty of light. This stateroom has a private head with its own separate shower. The two engines are located under hatches on the aft decks of both hulls. The boat is powered by twin 57 horsepower Yanmar diesels. The starboard compartment contains the Lithium house battery bank with an upgraded inverters and chargers, and the port engine compartment also houses the 12-volt watermarker. The Lagoon 42 is one of the best catamarans on the market, both functional and beautiful. Very well taken care of by her previous owners, she is a must-see. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more boat tours. For our other listings, visit our website.